everyone's attention to the actual numbers. The numbers, and I'm just going to come to each of you one by one. Just one by one, please. These are numbers in Raghopur. This is where the BJP is leading. Satish Kumar is a candidate there. Tejaswi Yadav of the RJD trailing by 3,116. This margin has increased. It was about 1,000 odd votes difference. This is, of course, the fourth round of counting. A lot can change, but at least the trend over the last two rounds is that this gap is widening. What happened as far as Tejaswi Yadav in Raghopur is concerned is a big question, Smita, because he's led the campaign.
Yeah, he led the campaign from the front and he campaigned in so many places, but he ignored Raghopur. Yeah. To some extent, what PK did, not fight the election, because he said, if I fight the election, then I will be spread out and stuff like that. So, you know, Tejaswi losing, of course, is a big shocker for the party. But what his spokesperson said out here, ki ek hi to election hai. These are the kind of supporters, if you are a leader and you listen to this kind of advice, that is just one election, two election. Probably this is the kind of advice that even Rahul Gandhi gets from his coterie, which says, ki koi baat nahi, you're taking the larger picture, you're fighting the bigger cause. You are not a think tank.
Yeah.
You are a political party, and winning an election is important. If you start demonizing those who are telling you the truth, throw them out of your party. Don't go for TV debates. Don't like media persons because they're telling you the truth, and you want to believe in your own cocoon, your own ideas, then you're going to lose. And you're going to lose this badly, like Tejaswi is losing.
Ashwini, hydrogen bomb has exploded back towards the Congress and MGP. No. What has happened?
No, that's what I'm saying. This is not the election of Nitish Kumar who is winning. It is Ganesh Kumar who is winning the election for.
How?
We have been telling it because look at. No.
This is the kind
No.
Congress doesn't need.
8% vote is
You have to understand.
8% vote से आप 340
You know what this entire election
even
scheme
Supreme Court mentioned that
Vishwas,
election
credibility
commission
is the
has
key
lost
of this
its credibility.
election.
No. I think you're misquoting. Let's not misquote the Supreme Court. Is correct as a lawyer. Is correct the Supreme Court says
that election commission has lost its credibility. What are you saying?
But
please don't come up with more passionate arguments.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I draw your